Alright, so today we're going to be changing the O-ring in our power steering hose. I have some fluid leaking underneath, so I'm going to try that, and if that doesn't fix the problem, you will see another video of me replacing my power steering pump. All you're going to need is some fluid, power steering fluid, and then your O-ring, which it comes with a little kit. Let's go. So I recommend putting a rag under here, because when you take this off, it's gonna spill out some power steering fluid. I don't have a hose clamp, so we're just gonna have to do it like that without it. So see what happens. So my bolt is a 10mm, so I have a ratchet with a 10mm on it. I don't know what yours will be, but once you break it loose, you just do it by hand, and I am going to get something that I can put it in so it doesn't spill everywhere. So I'm just going to use an empty water bottle that I cut with a knife to put it in there once I take it off so it doesn't spill everywhere. Well, it won't spill as much. Oh, and look, it doesn't really, not a lot spills, so that's a good thing. So if you look close, the O-ring is in there. I don't know if you could see the little black under there. It's like right there. So I'm gonna take that out, and we'll see if it's bad or not. So I ended up not even using the water bottle. I just wrapped it in here, so if it does leak, anything that leaks out, it'll get caught. But the O-ring is inside of here, and I'm gonna see if I can get it out with my finger. If not, I'm gonna have to resort to something else. So it looks like I can't get it with my finger, so I'm gonna use this little Phillips head driver. Well, I got it out, as you can see, and it flew to the left. So once I find it, I'll show you what it looks like. So I found it. Be very careful when you're taking this out so you don't make the same mistake I did. But this is very stiff and it's squared, as you can see. So I'm banking that this is my problem, why all that fluid is leaked out. So we're gonna get the new one and then put it in, because this one is no good anymore. It's very stiff. And I just put some power steering fluid over the O-ring with my two fingers like this. I just put some on, put it on there, and I slipped it on. And now we're just gonna go straight in. So I pushed it in, and it's nice and snug. And all I'm gonna do is just put everything back together, and then I'll refill my reservoir with some power steering fluid, and then we'll go from there. Hope this helps.